So most people solve this question like 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3, right? Then again 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Now minus 3 multiply minus 3 is equal to 9. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So now in this question, first we have to solve this parenthesis. So is equal to 1 minus 4. Now solve this parenthesis. 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Multiply minus 3, right? Now here we have subtraction and here we have multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. So minus 4 multiply minus 3 is equal to plus 12. So 1 plus 12. Right, so 1 plus 12 is equal to 13. So the correct answer is 13. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.